Leanne and Jeff, Realty One Group, another edition of Inspirada TV.
Yes, we are out at 2854 Rolling Brook. Corner lot, KB build. Is this the 2467 square foot one?
It is 2467 and it was built in 2019.
So this is one of my favorite KB floor plans because it's so open and you have a bedroom down and a full bath. Must have locked. Okay.
Oh.
Looks like laminate flooring.
Yeah, this is a big space.
So like I was saying, straight down here is, normally it's either a bedroom or an office with no door, which I've always kind of liked too when they do that. But you have the walk-in closet and then you have a full bath down.
That's great.
Tub. This is a great setup if you have, you know, families staying with you who can't do stairs.
Yeah.
It looks like.
Oh, this is nice. Look how big this is. This is really great space.
And the cool thing is on our website on homesinspirada.com, every tour that we do gets tagged with the square footage. So you can go on for this one, 2467, and see all of the 2467s that we've filmed. And the other cool thing is you also get the loft upstairs.
Yeah.
So much living area in just under 2,500 square feet.
I mean, it's great if you have little kids or whatever. I mean, this is a great floor plan. I really like this. Big pantry.
Yeah, I do like these.
I love these cabinets.
Yeah, this color is really
it's
interesting.
Very unusual. And there are pull-outs in the bottom.
Nice.
Refrigerator does stay.
So undermount sink, and it's one of these kind of cool, like clay style ones.
And this is listed at $610,000, which is just $247 a square foot. I like the double doors.
So you do have the
nice
covered patio.
Yeah.
And being on the corner is really cool because it's going to give you a much bigger lot.
Yeah. And I love that they have the artificial turf over here. That's great for kids or animals or whatever. And you don't have to mow it or water it.
Yeah, this is a great lot.
Yeah.
So we're out in the back of Inspirada, out towards Democracies over there. The cool thing is you also have Sloan Canyon, which they are rebuilding the little center. And there's a 1.5 mile hike back there with hundreds of petroglyphs. And
you know
then
what's unusual about this? That's curved wall.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. And then we're kind of in between Aventura Park over here and then Montagna Park over this way.
Yeah.
Inspirada has 7 different parks. If you've been thinking about a home in Henderson and maybe you're not familiar with Inspirada, this is really a community to dig into. We're probably just 20 minutes to the airport.
Yeah, everything in this town is 20 minutes from the airport because the airport is in the middle of town.
So as always, we ask that you please like and subscribe to our channel. Leanne and I are out here every week recording, doing videos. Our goal is to put one of these episodes up every day. And we've got hundreds of videos on our YouTube channel. So like I said, it's a great loft space.
Yes, this is amazing.
So this would be bedroom 2 with walk-in closet. Bedroom 3. And what I really like about this bedroom number 4, it's really big.
Oh, wow.
It's a good size.
Oh, it is. And I mean, perfect teenager bedroom. Big walk-in closet.
Yep.
That's awesome.
I like this little bench seat.
Yeah. You always love those.
I do. And then you would have the Full bath up here for the kiddos. Head over to the primary.
Oh, we got a laundry room right here too.
You do. So upstairs laundry.
Love that. You've ever lugged laundry up and down the stairs?
And those do stay, right? You said?
Yes, they stay.
So your double door entry into the primary.
This is huge.
It's a good size. This
It
is
really
really a
is.
comfortable layout. Leanne and I have really kind of kicked this one around for ourselves because we'd use that front one up here as a music room.
I like the double doors coming in too.
I do too. And then you have a nice walk-in closet.
Oh wow,
It's
big.
good size.
Yeah.
This is probably the most functional two-story KB floor plan, in my humble opinion.
Yeah. Yeah, I like this floor plan for sure.
So separate shower and tub,
We've got
water closet,
doing crazy things.
and, dual vanities, raised elevated countertops. So as always, Jeff and Leanne Mix Realty One Group, homesandinspirada.com, where our website has every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. If you want to see this home or any other, just let us know. Leanne and I live out here, and it's super convenient, and we appreciate you watching.